Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing. I finally got the Aisin axle that go on the driver's side because Amazon had some type of delay. I got it from Amazon. It was like close to 150. And before I get into this, if you're new, make sure you hit that like button, or if you're already one of my subscribers, hit that like. If you're new, hit that subscribe. After watching this video, you can leave me a comment. I really appreciate it. But yeah, so as I was saying, Aisin is a good brand. Aisin is a brand for Toyota, one of Toyota manufacturer. So this is basically an OEM part for Toyota. OEM basically is a genuine part, no aftermarket. But yeah, I'm gonna do this quick unboxing for you guys, and yeah, let's get into it. Camera around, turn on my light. You guys already know. Down here in the garage, look at my tires over there. Got my knife here. I'm surprised it didn't come like with the Aisin box. Well, I'm not sure, so I don't know what we're gonna expect, you know. I was looking forward for the Aisin box, but I guess for extra protection, it actually is. I'm not sure, but I could see it, you know. I could see it. Alright, so they wrapped it. Seems like it's in this box. So as I said, Aisin right there, Aisin Corporation, and you already know majority of the stuff made in China. So yeah. Alright, so that means I'm gonna need my knife once again to cut this open. Oh, there we go. There we go, guys. There we go. This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm talking about. I should have known better. You feel me? So anybody who have any Toyota, you know, and you're looking for, you don't want to pay that OEM price, shop around. Look on Amazon. Look on eBay. Look online itself, you know, and see if you could find a cheaper part, just like your axle, you know, and look for the name Aisin, A-I-S-I-N, just like this right here, as you can see right there. This is a good brand, and it's an OEM part. Don't let them fool you talking about, oh, it's aftermarket. No. Toyota signed a deal. I think they not sign a deal, but they have manufacture for certain Toyota parts. So this is considered as OEM parts for Toyota and Lexus as well. You know, same manufacturer, same company, just different name. As you guys should know by now that, get out the way. You guys should know by now that Toyota made Lexus. Lexus is just the luxury package. No more performance. You want luxury, you go for Lexus. Feel me? Still with that reliable, one of the most reliable, what you call it, most reliable luxury vehicle. You're not going to run into a bunch of problems like how the German car is. And I'm not going to bash no German car, because German cars are really nice. BMW, Audis, Mercedes, Porsche, all of them is very nice, you know, very nice luxury vehicle. So we have a installation. I'm not going to install this on my car. I'm going to just take it to the shop. and let them get the job done. But I like the way how it shows and give, you know, installation guide to let you know how to do it. Excuse me. Guess I'm gonna need a knife again so I could cut this and take out the plastic. I have my tripod. It's like right there. I didn't feel like getting up and do all the extra stuff, so I need to just cut the plastic, because I like the way how they wrapped it though. Really neat, really nice. So as you can see, this one goes on the driver side. This is for the driver side. So booth looks really good. It's not cut, it's not busted. They did a good job on the booting. And this should even prevent the vehicle from getting any vibration, especially for Toyota, the Avalons. The way how the manufacturer designed the genuine part pulling off, you're not supposed to feel no vibration. You know, I know a lot of aftermarket parts, you know, even if you go to the auto store, Advanced Auto Parts, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, it's another one, I can't remember the name of the other one. Any aftermarket parts, I notice when I step on the gas about to pull out, I feel a little vibration, you know. The genuine part you don't really feel that. You feel like a smooth, you know, smooth, nice takeoff, quiet ride. The Avalon is always a good quiet ride. But yeah, this is Aisin, and this one goes on the driver's side. The driver's side axle, CV axle, is shorter. The passenger side is longer. So I got Aisin for the driver's side, and I have the Moog brand for the passenger side. I couldn't find another Aisin for. They don't have none available. I've been looking, searching. They don't have no Aisin CV axle for the. Well, I don't see none for the passenger side. I only find the driver side. So that's why I am going with the Moog brand on the passenger side, and the driver side I have the Aisin, which is, you know, OEM, genuine. So this is how it looks, guys. This is how it looks. As you can see, it looks totally different from, you know, the OEM. Just the way how it looks, not from the OEM, but from the looks different from the aftermarket, you know. But this is the unboxing. This conclude the unboxing, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this quick unboxing on the CV axle and the brand that I'm going to use. I can't wait to get everything installed, especially my tires, the two axle, get an alignment. And I have not purchased the motor mount at the bottom mount, the hydraulic mount. I haven't bought it yet. I was searching to see if I could find another Aisin brand, but no. I found all the other brand, not all the other brand, but all the other parts for the Aisin except for the hydraulic one. So I'm gonna have to go on Toyota online and purchase it for like $150, or, you know, $150 or $140. They have different prices, different sites, Toyota sites. That's OEM. And how I know it's OEM genuine, because I type in the part number that specify for my car, or I could just put in the VIN and pull it up, and it's still gonna it's gonna match up with the genuine part number. So, but it's cheaper online. Certain places they do have it very expensive, like maybe about over $300 for just one hydraulic mount for my Toyota. But nah, I found a few online website for Toyota that's a warehouse that I could buy it for way less. But yeah, guys, I might try that. I might look up for But I don't need the axle no more because I already got the Aisin and I'm already bought the Moog. But I'm looking forward to next is to, when I get all these installed, next the last thing I need is to get the motor mount, the hydraulic mount for my Avalon. But yeah guys, this is conclude my unboxing. Feel me, look at it, it's different. And this is the Aisin brand, guys. Looks just like this. Amazing. Looking good, looking good. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate the love and support. And yes, it is burning down here in the garage. It's hot here in Florida. Thank you guys for watching. Peace, bye bye, take care. Subscribe, hit that like, leave a comment, tell me what you think. Did you enjoy it? You feel me? I did a good job on unboxing. I know I didn't use my tripod. I tried to do it quick as possible. You know, it is what it is. But peace, bye bye, take care. Hopefully you guys take this information. Aisin is a good brand. It's the same as the OEM or genuine part, the same. Trust me, you could even look it up and it'll pull up, it'll let you know. But yeah, peace, bye bye, take care, and God bless. I'm out.